Today I'm recycling a pair of jeans, and I've picked ladies' jeans because the fabric is thinner, and when you're sewing for dolls and small scale, you do need a thinner fabric. I'm using my own pattern listed on Etsy, and you trace the pattern with chalk. And normally I tell you to sew both curves, but for the jean pattern you'll need to work on a flat surface because we're going to be doing a lot of top stitching. I've included the pockets from the previous pattern, which was how to make cargo pants, but you're just using these pockets, this pocket pattern, as a template to draw your curves so that you can top stitch. I'm using the back pockets also as a template, and you can see that I've pinned down the top of the pants because when I finish the pants, it will be turned down at the top. I will be double stitching the pockets, the side seams, the front seam, and I've only single stitched the zipper, but you can do double stitch if you want to. Finish the edges with either a serger or a zigzag stitch. I did the top and the pant legs. I used the template again so that I would get a nice curve on the zipper. Sew the back seam and sew the inseam of the legs. Make sure you finish the edges. The waistline and the hem have a double row of top stitching. This doll's a little bit smaller than my other dolls, so the pants are tiny bit big, so always make a practice pattern to make a practice outfit so you'll know where to take it in. And I think if I were doing this over, I would take it in a little bit more. Thanks for watching.